Hey guys, welcome back. Today I have spoilers for the Yes Oh Yes bag. Now before we get into it, let me go ahead and just quickly remind you that it's $14.99 plus the cost of shipping. You will receive 3 to 7 full-size products, plus it's going to value over $75, which is totally awesome. And on top of that, every 4 months of active subscription, you will receive a free gift. This is part of their awesome loyalty program. If you would like more information or you want 10% on your first box, then check out my link in the description below. Now here's the spoiler that was released today from Inmo Cosmetics, and this is a beautiful shade of blue eyeshadow. Now let's go ahead and review all the other spoilers that were already released, starting off with the Lancome waterproof liner. And I've mentioned it before, I love receiving liners. I go through them like crazy. Now this next spoiler was released a few weeks back, but I'm showing it here again just in case you missed it. This is the Poolside palette by IBY. It has some really beautiful shades that's going to help you keep the summer going. And this is the Age-Defying Extreme Moisturizer. I really do hate having dry skin due to the winter weather, especially when it's all dry and cracky, so I'm really looking forward to trying this one. And then next we have the stunning highlighter from Luna by Luna. Now this next spoiler is a lip gloss from Urban Decay, and this hasn't been confirmed to be a variant, but I'm not sure if it's going to vary in color or it's going to be a variant in this next confirmed spoiler, which is a lip gloss as well from Dirty Little Secrets. Now I'm not sure why they would have 2 lip glosses in one box, so I'm assuming it's going to be a variant. So what do you think of the spoilers so far? I always think they're amazing. Remember, stick around because there's so many more spoilers to come. Alright guys, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, hit that notification bell, and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of my videos or any of my awesome spoilers. And as always, I love you and I'll catch you in the comments below. Have a blessed day.